This video, I'm going to be sharing with you the three things that you need if you want to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs thanks to my digital business. And this is the reason why I'm really passionate about this topic because I know what is actually possible. Right now, I'm debt-free thanks to my business as well. Something really important, guys, is that I'm going to show you everything that you need, but you need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. Okay, so watch the entire video, and most importantly, you need to implement it. Now, let me share with you the three things that you need if you really want to earn money online. Okay, so the very first thing is that you actually need a product. Okay, you need a product to promote. You can be an affiliate. By affiliate, I mean that you can be promoting other people products and services. You can go to marketplace such as ClickBank, JVSU, or Commission Junction. There are others. You can actually make a quick search on Google and look for example, like alternatives for ClickBank, okay, alternative for JVSU, okay, and you're gonna find tons of what we call marketplaces. Here you can join for free and you can promote other people products and services. Okay, here for example, if you're going to on ClickBank, you will need to join here as an affiliate. Okay, they're going to be asking you for your name, your email address, and other questions. Okay, so this is the very first thing. um you can promote any product that you want. The hot niches online, or the three most profitable niches online, are health, wealth, and relationship. Diana, does that mean that if there is another niche that I'm interested, I cannot go that route? I don't say that. I'm just sharing you this information because I know that there are other people. I know other people who are promoting, like, for example, video games and all this stuff, and they're actually doing good on that niche. Okay. So this is the very first route. You can be an affiliate. Also, you can be promoting what it's called MRR or PLR. Okay. It's a master research right product or a private label right product. Okay. It's a product that someone else did. It can be a PDF, it can be a video course, it can be a membership area, but they are giving you the right to sell it as your own. So that means that you're going to be collecting the money. Some of them have their own terms, like um, the minimum amount of money that you can actually sell the product, or sometimes they have like a fixed price. So this is another way in which you can actually have a product. But third, it's that you can have your own product, okay, or your own service that you can be starting promoting. This is something that you can start, building from scratch, and you can have the opportunity to actually create it. Okay, you can have the opportunity to actually create it. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so with that, you know that right now you have options of the product that you can actually promote. What else do you need? You need a funnel. This is a simple system, and I'm going to show you how you can actually build it in a moment. Do not overcomplicate things, okay? The very first thing that you need to do is that you actually need what we call a capture page, okay? Here, we're going to be asking the person their name and email address, and then we are going to be sending them the information. If you're an affiliate, we are going to be sending people to what we call a bridge page, in which we're introducing, an offer. This can be a video, this can be some text, and then here we have the product page. Okay, as an affiliate, you don't have to worry about the product page. You don't have to worry about collecting payments, doing any kind of payment processing. You don't have to worry about customer service, tech support, and all that stuff. Okay, you are literally just the middleman. If you decide to go with the master research right or create your own product, okay, you need to go always the same. Collect their name and email address. Understand that people are not with their wallet like right away making sure that they're going to purchase everything that shows up online. And here you're going to have the product page. In this case, the product page is going to be yours because it's going to be your own product, it's going to be your own service, or you are doing the master result right. Okay, so this is a simple system, which is the platform that I use or the tool that I actually use. I'm going to be leaving the link below. It's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. And the cool thing is that you can actually have a free account. This is not a free trial, but actually a free account. They're going to ask you for your name. Not even your name. They're going to be asking you for your email address, and that's it. You can open your account, and you're going to have a dashboard that's going to be looking like this, except for the fact that you're not going to have any funnel. So you're going to go here where it says sites, then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels, and then you're going to click here where it says create. In my case, I'm going to put a name, YT for YouTube. Okay, if you have a domain, you're going to choose your domain here. You're going to click here where it says build an audience. Okay, and if you're collecting money, okay, you're going to choose the currency. If not, if let's say you're an affiliate, just go that way. Save it. Here you have, and you're going to notice that you're going to have the pages that you actually need. The one cool thing that I like about System.io is that I have all the tools that I need here in order to automate my system and my business. Okay, so I don't need to get a third-party software or do complex integrations. I have everything here, and it's super easy to configure and set it up. Literally drag and drop, and that's it. Okay, so this is how actually you are going to have your system. Now, the third thing that we need, it's what we call traffic. Traffic, it's literally just eyeballs. It means that we will need people who are going to be interested in what we have to offer. Nowadays, we can go with free traffic or paid traffic. Free traffic, it's also called organic, okay? And in both ways, you can go and you can get traffic from Instagram. In one, you're going to be creating content, for example, short form content. And this is actually really cool. Nowadays, you can do it with AI. You don't have to show your face. You don't even have to talk. And you can create a reel. Okay, you can create a reel and literally you're going to be getting eyeballs. Or you can go the other way in which you can actually decide to pay Meta, which it's a little bit more technical. Okay, you can also get traffic from TikTok. You can actually use the same reel or short form content that you put on Instagram and upload it on TikTok, and also you can upload it on YouTube Short. You can also create a blog. You can also go and hire other people's like an ad on their websites, or you can create a YouTube video like this one. So there are different ways in which you can actually get traffic. But as I told you before, nowadays it's way easier than before because you can create a 5 to 7 second video. You don't have to talk. You can literally just put text over the video. You can have a call to action. That's something super, super important. Always have a call to action. Put a trending audio, and that's it. You already have traffic literally on demand without paying anything. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and more importantly, guys, give yourself the opportunity to implement this so you can have a better future. Okay, at the end of the day, you're a decision away of the life that you want, but you need to actually decide what you are actually doing or what actually you're going to do. And you need to have a commitment with yourself. Okay, so this is for this video. I see you guys on the next video.